The main new features in Workers version 2.2.0 focus on making Workers more customizable for developers, by now allowing you to create Workers from your own Worker templates, allowing you to set customized statuses for your Workers in the Workers debugger, and allowing you to customize your Worker headers with colors instead of just the default gray and black. This video will introduce you to these three main new features. So the first feature I want to introduce is the ability to create new Workers based on your own Worker templates. This feature has been integrated into the Create Add Worker tool and is now selectable from the new Select Type of Worker drop-down list. Previously, you only had the option to create a new worker with or without an event handling loop. And in Workers version 2.2.0, you now have the option to create a new worker from your own worker templates. A worker template is simply a worker that you customize as you like that has the file extension template.lv class. And you can learn more about how to do this in the Workers user guide, which will load if you press the help button down here. And then you can use the tool just like you would before, but now the tool will create and add a new worker into your application based on your own worker template. The next new feature is the ability to give your workers custom statuses. A worker status is visible to you in the debugger. And by default, Workers provides several statuses for the initialization and shutting down of your workers, since this is handled by the framework. In Workers version 2.2.0, you can now add your own statuses too, for example, to show if your worker is running, or is waiting to connect to another device, or whatever you like. To use this feature, there is a new VI on the palette called Update Worker Status, which I will access here from QuickDrop. And you can simply drop this onto the block diagram of any worker, wire it up, create a string for its status input control, and then when this VI is called, the status of the worker will be updated in the debugger. Another simple yet useful addition made to the Create Add Worker tool is the ability to set the header background and font colors when you create a new worker. To the right of the header text input control, you can select the colors for your new worker's header. This is a useful feature to make your workers easily identifiable by color, and if you choose to create a new worker from one of your own templates, then the new worker will automatically take the template's header colors too. For the full list of changes, additions, and bug fixes in Workers 2.2.0, please see the Workers changelog, which can be found in LabVIEW under the Help menu, Workers, About, and selecting Changelog. And to download Workers 2.2.0, you can find it either through the NI Tools network, in the VI Package Manager, or by directly visiting the official Workers website.